Alright, you should have made a 70 or better on the words 2 quiz to be where you are. Or the words quiz, sorry, to be where you are. I'm on the bottom of page 7, top of page 8 in your notebook. So we're talking about equations. We're talking about solving one-step equations. One-step equations, okay? So to solve one-step equations algebraically, I use inverse operations. If I write it, you should write it, by the way. I use inverse operations, okay? So addition and subtraction are inverse operations in that they undo one another. So 5 minus 3 is 2, right? And so add 3 back to 2, I get back to 5. Okay? And then multiplication and division are inverse operations of one another. Okay? 25 divided by 5 is 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. So I get back where I started. When I undo those operations, I use the inverse. So for this first one, that fraction bar means division, right? The opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by 13. On what I do to one side of the equation, I must do to the other side of the equation. Don't forget, I know you've heard that before. 13 times negative 12. Grab my handy dandy calculator. And 13 times negative 12 is negative 156. So negative 156 equals 13 divided by 13. It would look like this, right? 13x divided by 13. 13 divided by 13 is a big fat 1. And 1 times x is just x, right? I don't have to write 1x. I can just write x. If you want to write the 1, that's fine, but you don't have to. So for 3, this is subtraction, right? Opposite of subtraction will be addition. Subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 18 to both sides. Negative 16 plus 18. Negative 18 plus 18 is a big fat 0. So I'm going to put x on the left side. That's an equal sign, not some strange other symbol. Negative 16 plus 18 is 2. I think I keep hitting buttons that I really don't mean to hit. It thinks I'm drawing some shape to delete things. I'm just trying to draw a 2. Okay. Because if I'm at negative 16 on the number line, I move up 18. I'll go past 0 twice, or by 2. So x is 2. Okay. And 2 minus 18 is negative 16. So that's how I check, right? 2 minus 18 equals negative 16. You check that on a calculator and it's true. I did the right thing here. Okay, you finish the rest. Check your answers with Norrid. She'll give you the quiz. You'll keep on rocking and rolling.